The championship takes place at the Crucible Theatre, Sheffield, England. Typical format * qualifying rounds * usually 2 to 3 weeks before main event, held at the English Institute of Sport, Sheffield. Main event * usually mid-April to early May, example, April 19th to May 5th, 2026, depending on official confirmation. Rounds * first round, best of 19 frames. * second round, best of 25 frames. * quarterfinals, best of 25 frames. * semifinals, best of 33 frames. * final, best of 35 frames, usually over 2 sessions. Daily schedule, approximate, for main event * session 1 * 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. * session 2 * 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. Sessions can vary depending on match lengths and scheduling adjustments. Where to buy tickets? Official source * World Snooker Championship tickets, https://wst.tv/tickets, other options ** Ticketmaster UK, official partner, * hospitality packages, premium seating, food and drinks, meet and greet experiences, * authorized resale platforms, like StubHub, but check authenticity, tip ** early purchase is strongly recommended, especially for the finals weekend, as these sell out quickly. * qualifying round tickets are cheaper and more widely available. We'd create a detailed day-by-day timetable for all 17 days of the 2026 championship, including likely match times and how to plan your visit efficiently. This would include both session times and suggested tickets to buy for each stage.